Hi, I'm Marco, the executive sous chef of the 180 Kitchen Lounge, and today I would like to share with you a recipe which contributes to reduce food waste in the kitchen. Today we are going to prepare grilled calamari and gazpacho, which reflecting the summer season. To reduce food waste in the kitchen, we need to focus on three different points. One, it's to use local product. Two, to use products which are in season. And three, it's to use part of the ingredients which are usually thrown away, like orange skin. Reducing of food waste is important for social, economic and environmental reasons. It's also a path to optimize our food cost and increase sustainability. We are reducing food waste by not overbuying stocks, store and label food correctly, keep an accurate stock inventory, and plan menu more efficiently.